Okay, today's lesson is on depreciation. You get a dog biscuit, and pretty soon it starts depreciating, and it's gone. Little by little, you eat the biscuit, and the biscuit's gone. Then along comes the government. The IRS says, it's time to recapture our biscuit. And you say, what biscuit? Said, the biscuit you ate. Say, I ate that biscuit a long time ago. Well, you have to recapture it. You owe us the biscuit back. Well, it's time to recapture it. Let's check the percentage rate we got to recapture it at. And you say, holy cow, I forgot all about that biscuit. Maybe I better do a 1031 exchange. Or the lesson is, don't depreciate the biscuit, appreciate the biscuit.